If you are in the military or you are in a reserve unit, this post is for you because we are talking about the exception to the rule here in Michigan in order for you to carry a concealed pistol.
If you like updates and our other informational posts that we make, head on over to our website, radzwionlaw.com, and as soon as the homepage loads, our Never Miss Another Post box will pop up. If you enter your email address here and click the I Want to Receive Updates box, then the subscribe box, you will have a link sent to your email inbox every time that we do a case update or another post. This is the most sure and effective way to see our content, and some of which may be exclusive content, rather than looking for it on our social media or waiting for that social media notification to come through.
Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC, and today we are looking at an exception to the general rule, which is that here in Michigan, you have to be 21 years or older in order to apply for a pistol permit or a CPL, a concealed pistol license, in order to carry a concealed pistol. However, I take various calls through, over the course of many months, and some of these calls, these questions that I get are similar to this. I'm in the military, I'm under 21 years of age, and I want to know if I'm able to carry a concealed pistol. My general response to this is there's not really an exception for you to carry a concealed pistol in your day-to-day life. That's typically the context of this. They're home from active duty, or they're home from their drill, and they want to know, just because their status says that they're in the military or a reserve unit, is there an exception for them to carry a concealed pistol? My general answer is no. There's not an exception in your day-to-day life that allows you to carry a concealed pistol just because you're in the military without a CPL. The exception that we're looking at here today, however, is MCL 28.432A, and that starts off by saying the requirements of this act for obtaining a license to carry a concealed pistol do not apply to any of the following. If you skip down to subsections F, it says a member of the United States Army, Air Force, Navy, or Marine Corps, and they're carrying that concealed pistol in the line of duty. The next section is subsection G. It says a member of the National Guard, Armed Forces, Reserves, or other duly authorized military organization while on duty or drill, or while going to or returning from his or her place of assembly or practice, or while carrying a concealed pistol for the purpose of that military organization. Now, I think there are some key components here in this section of the law, and it seems like the overarching theme here is that the in the line of duty is the thing that sticks out the most. The law is giving an exception for individuals who are serving the country, who are in the line of duty, and they're performing a task that is furthering that or fulfilling a purpose of that military organization. Outside of that, someone that's off on leave, or they're not at drill and they're going to head up to the local grocery store and try to use this area of the law as their pistol permit, I don't think that that's a smart idea. I don't think that that's what this area of the law is talking about. It is talking about someone who's in the line of duty, or they're furthering some purpose for that military organization, and that is what's giving them the exception to the general rule, which is you have to have a CPL in order to carry a concealed pistol. Just remember, if this area of the law is misapplied, or you try to apply it to yourself incorrectly, the end result could be you being charged with a CCW felony, which is a 5-year prison term in Michigan, $2,500 in fines, and you will lose the right to own or possess or carry a firearm in the future. And on top of that, it will likely tarnish your record, not just for private jobs, but for your military record as well. So this is a very specific exception that I would caution anyone from using. I hope this video finds you well. If you support the Second Amendment, please hit that like button and leave us a comment below if you have a loved one in the military. Just type the name of the branch that they're in. I thank them for their service, and I appreciate all you guys tuning in. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.